ready to binge your favorite series. Whether you're catching up on the latest hit or revisiting a classic, how you watch can make all the difference. In today's world, streaming is everywhere, but not all streaming experiences are created equal. First, let's talk about how you're watching. The device and software you choose can impact everything from video quality to how smooth your binge session feels. You have two main options, using a native video player like VLC, or streaming directly in your web browser. Each has its own strengths and ideal use cases. Native players are built solely for video playback, making them super efficient, especially on older computers or when you want to play high-quality files without any hiccups. They're lightweight, use fewer resources, and often support a wide range of file formats. Browsers, on the other hand, juggle lots of tasks at once. Think tabs, extensions, and background processes. This multitasking can sometimes mean less smooth playback, especially if your computer is already working hard. If you have a video file saved on your computer, using a native player is almost always your best bet for top-notch performance and reliability. But for streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, or Hulu, you'll be in a browser. That's where all the latest shows and movies are just a click away. The good news? Modern browsers have come a long way. They're now optimized to handle high-definition video, adaptive streaming, and even surround sound, making your online viewing experience better than ever. Still, knowing the difference between these options helps you get the smoothest, most enjoyable experience, whether you're watching a downloaded movie or streaming the latest episode. So remember, native player for files, browser for streaming. It's a simple rule that can save you a lot of frustration. And always stream from legal licensed sources. Not only is it safer, but it also supports the creators behind your favorite content. Next, let's see how to make both options run even better. With a few tweaks, you can unlock even smoother playback and get the most out of every viewing session. Want smoother video? If you've ever experienced choppy playback, lag, or stuttering while watching your favorite shows or streaming high-quality content, you know how frustrating it can be. But there's a simple trick that can make a world of difference for your viewing experience. Enable hardware decoding, also called hardware acceleration. This setting is available in most modern browsers and media players, and it's designed to optimize how your computer processes video. When you turn on hardware decoding, your computer's GPU, the graphics card, takes over the heavy lifting of video playback. This frees up your CPU, which is responsible for running other tasks, and helps prevent annoying stutter, buffering, or drop frames, especially with high-resolution or demanding videos. In Chrome, it's easy. Just go to Settings, then System, and turn on Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This ensures Chrome uses your GPU for video and graphics, making playback much smoother. Most browsers like Firefox and Edge have this feature enabled by default, but if you're noticing choppy playback or your videos aren't running as smoothly as they should, it's worth double-checking your settings to make sure hardware acceleration is turned on. For VLC and other native media players, you'll usually find hardware decoding in the Advanced Settings or Preferences menu. Enabling it can dramatically improve playback, especially on older computers or when watching 4K and high bitrate videos. This one simple switch can make a huge difference, transforming a laggy, unwatchable video into a smooth, enjoyable experience. It's especially helpful for high-res videos or if you're using an older machine that struggles with modern content. Don't forget to restart your browser or media player after changing the setting. This ensures the new configuration takes effect and your videos play as smoothly as possible. Let your GPU do the heavy lifting for flawless streaming and playback. Take a moment to check your settings now. Your eyes and your computer will thank you. Great video needs great audio, so pick the right output device. Your computer might default to the wrong speakers or headphones. On Mac, click the Control Center, then Sound, and choose your device. On Windows, click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select your output. Always check before you hit play to avoid surprises. Make sure the volume is set for your chosen device. This quick step ensures your audio matches your viewing experience. Don't let the wrong audio ruin your movie night. Double check your output. And dermomedrusen donpon. Want to control your video like a pro? It's easier than you think. With just a few keyboard shortcuts, you can transform your streaming experience and save tons of time. Let's start with the basics, the spacebar. Pressing the spacebar instantly pauses or plays your video, so you never have to search for that tiny play button again. Need to skip ahead or replay a moment? The left and right arrow keys let you jump forward or back by a few seconds, making it super simple to catch every detail or breeze past the boring parts. On YouTube, the J and L keys are your best friends for quick navigation. J rewinds 10 seconds, while L jumps you forward 10 seconds, perfect for rewatching highlights or skipping ahead. The K key is another handy shortcut for pausing or playing, especially if your fingers are already near the home row. Want to adjust the volume without reaching for your mouse? The up and down arrow keys let you raise or lower the sound quickly. Press C to toggle captions on or off, and hit M to mute the audio instantly. No more scrambling for the volume slider. If you want to watch at your own pace, try holding Shift and pressing the comma or period keys. This changes the playback speed, so you can slow things down to catch every word or speed up to get through content faster. Number keys are a secret weapon. Pressing 1 through 9 jumps you to different parts of the video timeline. F puts you in full screen mode for an immersive experience, and ESC brings you right back to your desktop. With these shortcuts, watching videos becomes faster, smoother, and way more enjoyable. You'll spend less time fumbling and more time enjoying your favorite content. Start learning just a few of these, and soon you'll wonder how you ever managed with just your mouse. It's all about making streaming effortless, so go ahead, take control of your streaming and unlock your video superpowers today. Full screen or windowed? Each has its moment. Full screen is immersive, no distractions, just the video. Hit F to toggle full screen, ESC to exit. Windowed mode is perfect for multitasking. Watch while you work. Arrange your video alongside other apps for flexibility. Switch modes instantly with a single key. Choose the view that fits your mood or task. Adapt your experience in seconds. Let's recap your streaming power moves. Use native players for files, browsers for streaming. Enable hardware decoding for smooth playback. Always pick the right audio device. Master keyboard shortcuts for instant control. Switch between full screen and windowed as needed. These simple steps mean less hassle, more enjoyment. Optimize your setup, and streaming becomes effortless. Enjoy your content. No more tech headaches. Happy streaming!